pag-iisip namin dito sa Matatag Curriculum yung sa 45-minute lessons. Dahil na ma-maximize po yung learning time at yun daw ang optimal na learning time for a student to learn. Pero nakikinig, nung nagkonsulta ko kami, and after implementing the Matatag Curriculum for the last few weeks, mukhang there is a need to inject flexibility ho sa curriculum. So, nakinig ho kami sa ground, nahihirapan yung ibang teachers, ibang eskwelahan. So, meron kaming piniprepare na department order to inject flexibility, meaning balik tayo dun sa 6 na tigwa 1 hour, depending na sa school setting ho, ma'am. So, yun po ang naisip namin. At we're just going to hold maybe 1 or 2 more consultations. But there is already a draft department order on this. Nakinig ho kami dun sa hinaing ng ating mga teachers. Thank you po.
Sa muli, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at pakikinig.
Once again, El Maestro. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!